more down branches. This place is a mess. There's a lot of branches come down right on or by the power lines. Looks like a landscaper was here cleaning up all the trees, laying them out in the yard. Fortunately, knock on wood, I've not lost any power for any appreciable length of time. Oh, something I was worried about. A tree right on the main lines going down to the place. Of course, if those lines give, and we lose power down there, that'll be very bad for all the animals. It's a refuge center. Right above my head. Broken on a tree. Come down, it's leaning across these power lines. So one of the things I came to check out was make sure something like that hadn't happened. Of course it did. That could possibly be a big problem.